Fridley Adapted Bowling placed second at state in the 2025 ASD Adapted Bowling Tournament. However, success at the end of the year is not necessarily what measures a program's success.
I honestly feel like this program, like bowling, they get so excited every single day in class. They're like, I can't wait for bowling later, I can't wait for bowling. And then they're sharing about bowling with some peers and teachers and talking about if they got a strike or a spare or they got a high score. They're always like, yes, and just super excited.
I got like 4 strikes and 4 spares, and my final score was 162.
I also love the bowling team because this is the greatest day of my life. And I hang around with my bowling team and my classmates and my coach.
I play bowling like strike.
One of my teachers told me about the bowling thing, so I decided to join.
I'm loving it. Being able to hang out with my friends, being able to bowl. I actually want to be able to help others.
The program has increased over the years, with 17 athletes participating this year. Head coach Madeline Foucault says that she coaches to create an environment where every student feels valued, supported, and included.
Whenever they get like a certain score or an achievement, I get their name like put on the announcements. And then last year when we did our state send-off, I had a little pep fest. Like, they've never done that before, but I'm like, this is a sport too, it should be recognized. So we did a very cool state send-off for them, and like where everyone kind of clapped as they walked through the cafeteria. I ordered, we got new jerseys this year, and it all has their name on them, so I think they just love wearing them around the school and having like their name on them and just feeling like a part of a team.
Adapted bowling has served a dual purpose at Fridley. The classroom helps the activity, and the activity helps the classroom.
I feel like a lot of the academics that we work on in class and that integrity directly translates to what we're doing here at the bowling alley. And a lot of the rules and things that we have at school, just being your best self and putting your best foot forward, directly applies to this too, because we want them to do their best at school and at the bowling alley as well.
I love what I do. I teach social skills and transition skills. I communicate with a lot of our parents, and then I kind of tell them about it, and then just getting as many kids involved, and I love just watching them. I think inclusion is super important, and having a sport that these students can feel a part of and valued is just what I want.
Bowling has also helped the connections between teachers and students.
A few years ago I had a student that was a little trickier, and just by coaching, joining 3 years ago and building that relationship with the student, and then now that student respects me. That student, like even yesterday in class, was like, "You're the best coach ever," and just hearing that and just like building that connection with him. Obviously it took years and years. I do a program where if they get 3 strikes in a 10-frame round, I buy them something from the vending machine, and like they all get super excited about that. And it's just like a fun way to get them a little amped and excited and motivate each other too.
Well, last year we win second place at the bowling tournament, and everything turned out great. And I'm very proud of myself to it.
This is one of my teammates, Marcel. He is a very flexible figure when it comes to throwing.
Yep. I'd have to say thank you to all the coaches that work and help the team.
I love it at bowling.
I'm Justin Barrientos, NSPN.TV.